plant an acorn or an apple seed, a peach stone or a plum. Give it water, give it sunshine, and what does it become? Something very wonderful, all dressed up in green. Something you can hide behind and not be seen. What does every birdie build a nest in? What do little pussies climb and rest in? What do forests always look their best in? Trees, trees, trees. What do twigs and branches always grow on? What do caterpillars walk so slow on? What look awful nice when they have snow on? Trees, trees, trees. Some are big and some are small. Some are long and thin. If we had no trees at all, what would we build a tree house in? In the autumn when the leaves are falling, Daddy's always raking up and hauling. And you ought to hear the names he's calling. Trees, 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 trees. When I was the young man and in me prime, I took the life easy and have a good time. And all the day long so I fished the sea. At night I go jamboree. Go jamba, go jamba, go jamba, go jamba, go jamba, go jamboree. Then one day the old man he called me side to tell me it's time now to look for bride, to marry good woman and have baby, to perpetuate the family tree. La 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 la. All together now the family tree, it cannot grow without baby. It's man's responsibility to perpetuate the family tree. I go to me girlfriend and talk this way. You want to get married? She say, okay. The big celebration is now the plan. And soon I be married man. Be married, be married, be married, be married, be married, be married man.
Tell me more now.
About 1 year later the doctor called. He tell me to rush wife to hospital. Then somebody holler, you got baby, to perpetuate the family tree. La 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 la. Everybody sing the family tree, it cannot grow without baby. It's man's responsibility to perpetuate the family tree. This tiny small creature is not so bad. He make your life joyful for mom and dad. So every year after we have one more. I think we got 24. Got 20, got 20, got 20, got 20, got 20, got 24.
Oh, boy.
Then one day I say to me oldest son, it's time you have good wife, so go find one. You need to get married and have baby to perpetuate the family tree. La 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 la. Lots of people in the family tree, it cannot grow without baby. It's man's responsibility to perpetuate the family tree. Now I am grandfather and past me prime. I take the life easy and have good time. And all the day long so have jamboree. The problem not worry me. Not worry, not worry, not worry, not worry, not worry, not worry me.
Who cares?
Me sons and me daughters are great big mob. Me old man, he tell me I do good job. For all of they marry and have baby to perpetuate the family tree. La 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 la. Keep the record of the family tree. The family tree, it cannot grow without baby. It's man's responsibility to perpetuate the family tree.
Hey, man, look at all the tourists.
Lots of tourists here. Sing very good.